So people always wondering the Wyze camera. It's used for indoors, but I was just curious what's gonna happen if I leave it outside and use it as an outdoor cam. And turns out it works actually pretty good. So basically, I just leave this in front of one of my window. There is a shallow gutter covering the camera, so when it rains, a lot of times actually the rain would be able to get here. And I have had the camera here for about 3-4 months now. The area is very wet and humid. I live in New Jersey, so if you're wondering if you can leave the Wyze indoor camera outside and use it as an outdoor cam, most definitely yes. It has been working very steady for a few months now. Only until today, where when I open up my app in Wyze, and it told me the camera needs to be recycled and turned back on. So I think the camera frozen for some reason, and all I did was unplug the power cable and replug back in, and the camera just went back to working again. So in terms of reliability, yeah, it's been up and running for a few months, so it's pretty good. And it's able to detect the movements and the person when I basically just pass through in my backyard, so it works totally fine. One time it actually detected a deer sleeping right in front of the camera. Okay, so to any of you that are wondering, if you can just get a very cheap Wyze indoor camera and use it as an outdoor camera, most definitely. It's very cheap. It's like $25. You can get like a pack for like 48, small discount. Great value. Even if it breaks, it's very cheap to replace. And if so, for me, I just left it over here, but they actually make a nice like mount with a double-sided tape. So if you want, you can totally just mount it onto the wall and then under the roof, so it's a lot more weather protected, as to, you know, leaving it here and have the rain on it. And this camera is most definitely not rated for outdoor use. Okay, it's not waterproof, however, after the rain and everything, it works great. So thank you so much guys for watching. At the end, I'll post a few footage on, you know, how the camera looks when it detects a person right in front of it, and you can judge for yourself whether it's worth it to spend $25 to get a outdoor cam from an indoor camera. Okay, thank you so much, and see you in the next video.